James Pike, Regional Director for Southwest Aggregates. Torr is such an important quarry for Holcim UK and the group. It was essential for us to build a new conveyor system and relocate the crusher onto the next bench to make sure we're able to keep extracting rock, making products for our customers at the rate that they demand it.
Currently export about 3.5 million tonnes into London each year. The conveyor system is the quickest and probably the most CO2 efficient method of loading materials. Taken a mammoth effort from the team, collaboration with other departments, procurement, finance, operations, engineering, designing, putting it all together. It's been a great achievement.
So the vision around this project was allowing us to continue our sustainability method of extracting the limestone at Torr Quarry. So we have a very unique method of extracting the mineral by having a large mobile crusher, which requires the need for new uphill conveyors every time we progress down to a lower bench in the quarry. So for us, the vision was just we wanted to carry on that practice and not involve new HME and increase our carbon footprint.
The only way we could really deliver such a big project was with the support of the wider Holcim Group, brought us with the funding and the technical expertise, but fundamentally delivery was created and implemented by our team on the ground. We've got a really important multidisciplinary role at Torr. The site is so complex, making sure that we've got the right people from project manager down to the operators to make sure we can deliver that project on time was absolutely essential.
I'm Ashley Lockyer. I'm the works manager here at Torr Works UK Super-Quarry. So Torr Works utilises a in-pit primary crusher where we convey all the product from the quarry floor through to the processing plant. We depleted the reserve on the working bench and we had to sink to the next level. This conveyor bridges the gap between the old working bench and the new working level. We're lucky we already had a blueprint for how Torr extracts mineral from the quarry floor. So we've copy and pasted the existing uphill conveyor structure and put it in place where the new conveyor needs to be. Without the new conveyor C100, we'd be using load and haul trucks. We're targeting 2,000 tonnes an hour, so to move that amount of stone in load and haul vehicles is a lot of fuel, a lot of machines, a lot of people, overall less efficient, more expensive and not as green. Getting the monies approved would have been the big milestone. Significant investment, just over £4 million. And then the big one for us is actually breaking ground on site. There's a lot of R&D between the project being approved to when we actually start on site. So that's always the biggest one. Once you can see something happening, you feel much better.
The O&K crusher was roughly about 2 years old when I came to site. It's now been walking around on the quarry floor now for the best part of 40 years now. So over the years it's all been upgraded. It might still be the same frame, but the internals of it have all been upgraded. There's new PLCs and now new control systems in there.
I think it's a testament to the engineering that first went in when this was designed all those years ago, that it's still running strong today.
Torr itself, having a mobile primary crusher, has got sustainability built in at its core. And then with every new innovation, we're always looking for smarter ways to electrify, to reduce energy consumption, to carry greater loads, etc. The new conveyors ticked many of those aspects for us to make it a more efficient movement of material.